I'm going to add the stuffing to the ball now, the bauble now. Add the stuffing in little bits, pushing it down and out, creating a little well in the middle. You keep pushing the stuffing into the well and then out to the edges, you'll get a nice rounded bauble without any lumpy bits. Keep pushing in, pushing out to the side. Once you're happy with the amount of stuffing, we're ready to close the top of the bauble off. So again, we're working into the valleys and up again. In and up, in and up. Again, when you've gone all the way around, you're going to get to the point where you need to continue going round and round to help close off that bauble completely. Nearly there, last few stitches. You can roll the bauble between your hands to shape it. There we go. When you're happy with how that's closed off, secure with a knot. The end of the yarn in to your work and then back up through the hole, because you're going to use the remainder of the yarn to create a hanging loop, approximately 8 centimetres long. You can get the ruler out here, or you can just eyeball it. To secure that end, I'm just going to put the needle in and out the side, and again secure with a knot. And then we're going to hide the end inside the bauble. the needle in and stick it out the other side and snip, and then it should hide inside. And that is your finished bauble. It just needs a ribbon around the top. Like so. I've just tied that ribbon around the hanging loop. There we go.